Meet John. Like you, he is an India Bulls employee. And like you, John struggles with lead creation and it hurts his work. Microsoft Dynamics CRM solves all those problems for lead creation. Learn how to create lead for Realty product. For new lead creation, go to Sales tab and click on Leads button. Click on New button at extreme top left for new lead generation. Select all the mandatory fields which are represented by asterisk sign. Mobile number should start with +91 followed by 10-digit mobile number. After selecting all the mandatory details, click on Save button. Lead ID will be auto-generated into the Lead ID field. Phone call activity will be auto-generated after every new lead creation. User needs to update a status on phone call activity with defined tag time. Escalation will be sent to higher management in case of any failure. Click on Mark Complete button to complete that particular activity. For project mapping, search the product while selecting all the required search criteria. Map the property with that lead while selecting checkbox on the left. Go to Property Details tab and click on Refresh button for reflecting map property on Property Details tab. Select the property in Property Details tab. Click on Get Plans button at top for mapping plan with specific property. If user has selected less amount as compared to defined for entering further details with specific property, user needs to select right arrow at extreme right. User needs to upload booking and PDC check as mandatory on Upload Documents tab. User needs to enter booking and PDC payment details in Payment Details tab. In order to create new record in Payment Details tab, user needs to select plus button. Enter booking and PDC payment details on Payment Details tab. Click on Save button in order to save all the required details. Go to Activity section at right top and click on Site Visit Activity. In order to close this lead, user needs to close this activity. Select Close Status on Status field and Close Status on Stage Status field. In order to move that application to back office team, PAN is mandatory. Next, you can view Realty back office.